Have you ever wondered how labor unions impact your paycheck and working conditions? Let us break down what they are and how they operate. At its simplest level, a union is a group of employees who join forces to bargain with their employer as one single voice. Data suggests that union members frequently secure higher wages and better benefits compared to non-unionized workers in the same industries. Unions focus on collective bargaining to set pay, handling workplace grievances, and pushing for safer working environments for all members. The main trade-off lies between the structure of a collective contract versus the flexibility of individual, at-will employment agreements. While union members pay dues, the median weekly earnings for unionized workers tend to be higher than those without formal representation. Remember that a union is a democratic organization, so its effectiveness relies heavily on the active participation of the people it represents. Understanding how labor markets work is a key part of your financial journey. Subscribe for more basics and save this video for later.